Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stabilize shaky footage in After Effects. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your clip in the timeline that you want to stabilize. As you can see, the camera is very shaky, but don't worry, we can fix this easily. The first thing you need to do is go to the top menu bar and click on Window. From the drop-down list, make sure the tracker panel is enabled. Once the tracker panel is visible, click on Stabilize Motion. After you do this, you'll see a tracker point appear in your preview window. Now, move this tracker point to a stable part of your video, something that doesn't move and has high contrast. The inner square should cover the object you want to track. When you're happy with your selection, press play. After Effects will start tracking your object. This process can take some time depending on the quality and length of your video, as well as the speed of your computer. Once the tracking is done, play back your video to see the results. If you're satisfied with the stabilization, go ahead and click the Apply button in the tracker panel. A dialog box will appear asking for the apply dimensions. Set it to both X and Y, then click OK. Now your video is stabilized. However, you might notice black bars appearing on the edges of your video. To fix this, select your clip and press S on your keyboard to bring up the scale settings. Increase the scale of your video until the black bars disappear. And that's it. You've successfully stabilized your footage in After Effects. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.